Installation and usage of RPI64Box. RPI64Box is a LAMP-based web server environment for microservers like the Raspberry Pi. Built with Ubuntu 64-bit LTS version, it offers enhanced stability and performance. It can be used for the creation of portable web apps similar to the ones shown on the right, and for performance evaluation of microserver hardware as a LAMP-based web server. To get started with RPI64Box, follow the steps available on the Git repository. Download the RPI64Box image. Use Balena Etcher to transfer the image onto a disk storage and boot with a Raspberry Pi. With an appropriate battery-powered casing, the server becomes portable as shown on the top right image. On boot, a new Wi-Fi hotspot named RPI64Box appears, and the Wi-Fi password is as shown here. The public web address is rpi64box.home. The current default web app is Moodle and can be replaced by any other LAMP-based application. If support for HTTPS is required, the home domain can use a self-signed certificate. As an example of the diverse application usage, Moodle was replaced by Yanseo, a software for archery results management. Further information on the Yanseo is available for consultation on rpi64box.com. The page includes a short video of how the portable app works to support archery competitions. Performance evaluation. Moodle was chosen for performance evaluation due to its relatively large database and the convenience offered by its ability to generate sample courses, users, and test plans. For performance evaluation purposes, two computers are required, a server and a client. The RPI64Box is prepared for use as a server by following the steps present on its associated GitHub page. In this example, we will use an SD card. The server and the client will connect via wired LAN. Before the execution of the script, the module is empty. The script will take a few minutes to run. Upon successful execution, test courses and test plans will be created, as shown on the right. The system is now ready for performance evaluation. The disk input-output performance test is done by executing the script from SSH. In the example on the right, the SD card employed has a score of 1580. Next, Moodle Benchmark System runs from the browser. It tests the CPU, disk, and database processing speeds. Here is the system score of 90, where lower is better. The third and the fourth tests are executed from a web client running Jmeter in command line interface. We will need to ensure that port 4x4 is open, then move to the web performance section for the client setup. To prepare a web client for performance testing, we use a Raspberry Pi 4 as client, the latest Ubuntu LTS, and an SD card. The steps are detailed on the Web Performance Git page as listed here. Upon completion, the results are published by the client web server inside a Jmeter tests folder. Here we have the Apdex value and the resource usage by the RPI64Box server hardware. Upon completion, the results can be compared with the ones on the published article. The values include the disk performance, benchmark, and geometry results. The article's associated video covers the test results and can be consulted on the RPI64Box website together with the detailed results. Thanks for watching.